This one is picture box picture. This one is a big picture. And this one is the cat. 21 pictures.
Okay. What do you got?
A picture. I get hiccups.
What did you do? Why did you got hiccups?
Because I eat much.
What do you need to do?
I eat spaghetti, I eat bacon, I eat cheese. I eat cheese more. I
Okay.
get hiccups. Okay.
It's lots of water. See if it's gone.
It's gone.
No more hiccups?
Oh, yeah.
What's that?
Zombie. It's my picture code. Let's draw my bubble on nature. That's a Warner Brothers. Warner Brothers picture.
Okay.